This is API Lab, a built-in tool that lets us test our APIs without needing external tools like Postman or curl. With API Lab, we can select the API schema we deployed, choose the request methods such as GET, POST, PUT, or DELETE, enter the request URL, query parameters, headers, or body, and finally, send the request to view the response directly on this screen. It is designed for quick testing of all your deployed endpoints. Now let's test the endpoints of employee. Let's try fetching all employees using the get/employees endpoint. Now the request is successful, but we don't have any data yet. To add data, there are 3 ways. The first way is using the post/employee endpoint. Here, I can enter the employee details in the request body and send the request to save the data. Then, using the get endpoint again, we can see the data has been stored. We can also fetch an employee by ID by passing the ID in the query parameters. Similarly, we can update the data based on ID. We have to pass the ID, update the request and send, and for delete, pass the ID that needs to be deleted. The second way to add data is directly from the dashboard. In the response section of the get endpoint, we can use append test data. Here, we get 2 options: either download a CSV template, fill it with data, and upload it. The second way to add data is by directly uploading a CSV file from the dashboard. Here, you can prepare your own dataset in Excel or Google Sheets, export it as a CSV, and upload it to this endpoint. This method is especially useful when you already have a large set of records that you want to insert in bulk. Once the file is uploaded, the platform automatically processes all the records and stores them in your API's database. Then, just like before, we can go back to API Lab and use the get endpoint to verify that the new records are available. Third way is simply let API Copilot generate 10 sample records for us automatically. It will take few seconds to generate test data. Once that's done, we can return to API Lab and test the endpoint to see the uploaded data. Let's quickly go back to API Lab and check if we have the data uploaded. Select Get Employees and Send Request. Yes, we have the sample data uploaded by API Copilot.